guys, Running Kimono here. So yesterday, a little bit of pandemonium with the Skittles deal. I know a lot of you scored it. I saw a lot on Instagram and here on YouTube where people were getting the Skittles deals. Well, there's another deal. It's not as good because there is no IBOTTA rebate, but if you like Lifesavers or other types of candy, a lot of this share size, which is the larger bag, 14 ounces, is $1.50 each or two for $3. Now, as I was talking about IBOTTA, the rebate for both the Starburst and Skittles Gonzo. So in all my videos, I always suggest for you guys to double, triple check your rebate app. Type in Skittles into the Walgreens folder to see it's there, Skittles, Starburst, whatever. Because sometimes when these deals are so hot, if they have like 20,000 rebates, the 20,000 rebates can come and go very quickly, especially with social media and how fast the telephone game goes. Always check, but those rebates are gone. Okay, so let's look through some of the candy that is super uber cheap. Okay, so we have the Lifesavers Gummies. If you look at the bottom, 2 for $3 or 1 for $1.79. It is more advantageous for you to grab the 2 bags because when you grab 2, it's $1.50. And these are curbside prices only. They are 2 for $6 in store. Unless the cashier will price modify it for you, which probably they won't, order it through the app and get a curbside pickup where you drive to the store or walk in and grab your order. So this is a great one. Another one is this, the share size of the Wint O Green. It's like a hard candy and it's packaged individually. So the 2 is $3. If you need this stuff for your purse, or if you just recently quit smoking, or you just like to have fresh breath, I think a lot of you can attest to that. This is a killer deal. And what I would do personally is use your Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket at all whatsoever. Okay, and we have the share size of the, this one is a peppermint flavor. What is it? Peppermint. Wow, aren't they clever? And again, they are 2 for $3. As you see, I have 3 of them here, so it's $4.50. So the third bag, even though it's not in even numbers, it's still going to ring up for $1.50. Hopefully that is crystal clear. But yeah, these mints, what a fantastic price point. And then we have I know the red Skittles, everybody went for that, but if you wanted this berry one, it's also on the same promotion, as is those red bags as well. But you need to grab at least 2 in your basket. Get the promotion price of $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per bag. So even if you message me and say in store it's 2 for $6, it has to be curbside pickup, and you have to do it through the app for the millionth time. And then we have the Starburst. So if this is a favorite candy, they are 2 for $3. There was $1 back from IBOTTA that showed up yesterday, and that rebate, like it was there for a second and then it was gone. So yeah, but still like $1.50 for these larger bags. I think a lot of you can see value in that. So adding 7 to a basket, that's a price point of $10.50. Remember, you need at least $10 to do a curbside pickup at a store. New changes over at Walgreens. So I would use $10 in points and just pay 50 cents with your debit card, credit card, that sort of a thing. And as you can see, guys, I'm using $10. I'm paying 50 cents. I go to the store, get all of my mints, and laugh all the way home. I think this is an excellent use of $10 in Walgreens cash. A lot of you might say the opposite thing. You're going to say that I'm wasting money. I hear it all. But I think this is super smart because if you go to Walmart and buy one of those bags, well, take a look at this. One bag is $3.28. So you're getting 2 for the price of 1. So I think this is a super deal. I would do it today if you can. I know a lot of you were at the store yesterday picking up your Skittles, but if you like Lifesavers or if you want to get some Starburst, hey, another way to look at the deal. Alrighty, guys, so looking at my basket, what did I do? I went for the Lifesavers, those mints, because they're individually wrapped, and who doesn't like to have that in your purse? So I grabbed 5, but I was a little short from hitting the $10 threshold, so I threw in a Persil. There's also a $2 digital coupon for the Persil detergent, and if you know anything about Persil, a lot of people love that detergent. So my total was $12.49. I'm doing a curbside pickup. Remember, this deal must be a curbside. My tax, my $2 coupon for the Persil detergent, and then I threw in $10 of Walgreens cash. Hey, I'm paying 79 cents for all of this magic. So I am not crying about this one. I think it's a great deal, and it's the mints I wanted, and I also wanted one Persil. So 79 cents is really super. Good luck with this one, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!